Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to hide those playing media notifications that pop up when you're using Chrome on your phone. If you've ever been annoyed by music or video notifications cluttering your lock screen, this quick guide will help you turn them off completely and keep things clean and distraction-free. Let's get started. First, open up your phone and go straight into Settings. This is where you'll be able to manage how your apps send notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Apps and tap on it. From there, search for Chrome in your list of apps and open it. This will bring you to Chrome's individual settings page, where you'll see different options for permissions, storage, and of course, notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. Inside, you'll notice that Chrome has multiple notification categories, and each one controls a different type of alert. Scroll through until you see notification categories and select it. Now, look for the category called Playing Media. This is the one responsible for showing audio and video notifications whenever Chrome is playing something in the background. Tap on Playing Media to adjust its settings. At this point, you'll see additional options, including how notifications appear on your lock screen. Go ahead and tap on Lock Screen. When it asks how you want these notifications to appear, choose Don't Show Notifications. That's it. From now on, Chrome won't show any playing media notifications on your lock screen. This means you can enjoy videos, music, or any other content without unnecessary pop-ups taking up space or distracting you. This simple adjustment can make your phone feel much cleaner and easier to manage, especially if you use Chrome for streaming or browsing with background media. No more swiping away those persistent media controls. You're fully in charge of what shows up. So, if you've been looking for a way to take back control of your notifications, now you know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching.